Learning to the Nishmas Etta Ahuva Maseches Kerisus Perik Dala Mishnah Aleph Safek Achal Chelav Safek Loy Achal. So the Mishnah is talking about the chiyuv of an asham tali. A person is not sure if he ate chelev or he didn't eat it. Va'afilu achal, and even if he did eat it, safek yesh by kasher, safek ein by kasher. He's not sure if he ate a kazayis. The Mishnah continues. Chelev v'shuman lefanav. So this is really going back on the case of safek achal chelev, safek loy achal. You have chelev and shuman in front of him. Chelev you're not allowed to eat, you're over lav, and shuman is fats that are mutter. Achal is echam mihan. He ate one of them. Any day ate mihan achal. He's not sure which one he ate, so he has a suffix whether he was chayiv a carbon. Ishtay va'achaysa imay, or suffix whether he was over an isha, I should say. Ishtay va'achaysa imay b'bayis shagag ba'achas mihan be'eni day be'ezim and shagag. He was bought either on his wife, which is mutter, or achaysa, his sister. Shabbos v'yoyim chol v'asa malacha b'echam mihan. He did a malacha on a day, but he wasn't sure. Be'eni do be'ezim and asa. He wasn't sure if it was Shabbos or a weekday. So then, all these cases is a case where you may be asham tali. So in the Gemara is a machlekes whether in the chiyuv of asham tali, if it's dafka chayiv, if in the case where it was chaticha mishtei chatichas, which is the case of the Mishnah that you had chelev and shuman in front of him, there were shtei chatichas, a chatichas iser and a chatichas hater, and he was over the iser with one of the chatichas, and we're not sure if it was he ate the thing, but we're not sure if it was the iser or if it was the heter. But if a case of chaticha achas, I know he ate only one piece of meat, and he's not sure if that piece of meat was chelev or shuman, is machlekes hamaram whether you'll be chayiv a carbon asham. Now there are three reasons given in the Gemara why you would need chaticha achas mishtei chatichas. One is a drasha in the Torah. The Torah says v'achas mikol achas mitzvahs, and if you hold yesh aim lemikra, so it's read in mitzvahs, a lot of mitzvahs, so it's mashma one from two. So you would need chaticha achas mishtei chatichas. The other two reasons are svaras. One reason is because if you have two chatichas, so then it's efshel levar yisura. Meaning, because someone later on could say that we know that the remaining piece was shuman, so then we know for sure you were over the iser. And the whole purpose of a carbon asham tali is that it's ba lahagim and yisurin, to protect you from yisurin until you find out that you were chayiv a chatas. So maybe perhaps it's only in a case where you will find out later on. So that's one svara in the Gemara. It's efshel levar yisura. The other svara in the Gemara is that you need that it was ikva yisura. So if you have two chatichas and there was for sure a chatichas iser at one point, nafkamina would be if there were two pieces, so then it was ikva yisura. But afterwards, a guy came and ate one of the pieces. Now there's only one piece left, and you're not sure if it was chelev or shuman. So it was ikva yisura, but it's not efshel levar yisura at this point. Al kopanim chaticha achas mishtei chatichas is for sure chayiv a carbon asham, and that's the case in the Mishnah. The question is whether chaticha achas safek chelev safek shel shuman is chayiv. If you hold that it is chayiv, so not, then you would read the beginning of the Mishnah is telling me that case safek achal chelev safek loy achal is talking about chaticha achas, and afterwards the Mishnah goes to the case of chaticha achas mishtei chatichas. Mishnah Beis kishem shemachal chelev v'chelev behelam echad ein chayiv ela chatas achas. We already said in the last parak that behelam echad you could only be chayiv one chatas with the iser, with the same iser of chelev. So kach lo yihodesh elahen ein maybe ela asham echad, that applies by asham tali as well. Im haisa yedia bein tayim kishem shom maybe chatas al kol achas v'achas kachu maybe asham tali al kol achas v'achas. The same way yedia in between would be mechalik l'gabe a case where you were for sure over the avera b'shegig, so too would be mechalik in a case where you're mesupik if you're over the avera. So the Mishnah weiter kishem shem achach chelev dam v'noiser upigel, which is four different lavin. V'helam echad chayav kol echad v'echad, because lavin are mechalkin to be mechayiv achatas on each one. Kach aloi hodesh alehem maybe asham tali al kol echad v'echad. So again, asham tali is the same as chatas. You mechayiv many asham talis. Now the Mishnah has a machlekes in a different case. Chelev and noisel lefanav. You have two pieces. They're both aser. Just one is iser chelev, one is iser noiser. Achal echem hem ve'ini yidu ezmi anach. You don't know which avera you are over. Ishtan yidu v'achayis imay b'bayis Shagag ba'achas mem ein du beis ma'achas shagag. You were over the iser either of neither or a chaysi. You just don't know which one. Shabbos Yom Kippurim also malach was bein hashmashas. Ein du beis me'an asa. And we yazim achayiv chatzas of Yeshua Paiter. You're for sure over the iser either Shabbos Yom Kippur. You're not sure because it was bein hashmashas. You don't know the bein hashmashas between Shabbos and Yom Kippur. You're not sure if it was on Shabbos and Yom Kippur that you were over. So Rabbi Eliezer achayiv chatzas. Eliezer says achayiv chatzas. Like the Gemara explains, Mamanoshach ichelav achav chayiv inaiser achav chayiv ishtu nida bal chayiv yachayse bal chayiv b'Shabbos as mal chayiv Yom Kippur as mal chayiv. So either way, you were over iser. We just don't know which iser. On that, Rabbi Yeshua Paiter, Rabbi Yeshua says that you're pater because the pasuk says. So the Gemara Rei Oimer Asher Chat Ba Ad Sheivadolei B'Machat. You have to know with what you did an avera. Rabbi Yesi Leinechaku Ala Isim Malacha Bein Hashmashas Shu Pater. In that last case, when Bein Hashmashas is between Shabbos and Yom Kippurim, you will for sure be pater. Shani Oimer Mixas Malacha Asa Me'ayim Mixasa Asa L'Machar. Man Nechaku the Machlekes of Eliezer and Rabbi Yeshua is Ala Isim B'Seich Hayim Ein Yiduim B'Shabbos Asa V'Yom Kippurim Asa Ala Isim Ein Yiduim Me'ezim Malacha Asa. It would be only if you're not sure if it was completely done on Shabbos or completely done in Yom Kippur, or you're not sure if you're over the avera of Zriya or Charisha, let's say. So then, Rabbi Eliezer Mechayev Chatzas to Rabbi Yeshua Paiter. Amar Rabbi Yehuda Paiter Hay Rabbi Yeshua Af Me'eshem Tali. Gemara learns now from a drasha that it says Kisechta v'lo yada. He did an avera and he didn't know that he did the avera. So in this case, he did know he did not do the avera. He just didn't know which avera he did. So in that case, he would not be chayiv and Hashem Tali.